A major part of getting quality window replacements is making sure that they will last you a long time and end up being a great investment for your house. This is where the warranty kicks in. It is crucial. Often in Canada, you hear lifetime warranty, but what does that actually mean? Contrary to what a lot of people might think, lifetime warranty does not refer to your lifetime as a homeowner. It actually speaks to the expected lifetime warranty of the window products. So often, vinyl window products in Canada have a good warranty of about 25 years. So when looking for a window company, you want to make sure you get as close as possible to that 25-year number. So it's quite normal to see warranties of up to 20 to 25 years for things such as vinyl extrusions, as well as insulated glass units. For the insulated glass units, it further covers things as pressure cracks, gas-filled losses, or any of the fallen or damaged grills. However, things such as acts of nature, whether it's hail or maybe a broken branch, or human damage to the actual glass, if it's broken or something like that, will not be covered under a warranty. Now, when it comes to labor warranty, depending on a good window company, you should be getting between 5 to 10 years of labor warranty. Now remember, often during the sales presentation, the warranty that is being described to you, or even the warranty that is written out on the contract, could look good. However, it might be a different situation if the problem does arise and you have to deal with the situation. Often, people complain about even the bigger window companies that even if they do honor the contract, sometimes it could take months to send out a technician to take care of the faulty window. So make sure before you sign any of the contracts, you simply go online and do a simple research. You want to look at websites such as Better Business Bureau, HomeStars, or Google reviews to see how the window company deals with customers that do have problems that arise. If you see that the company honors the contracts and takes care of the problems quickly, this is the company for you. Thank you for listening and have a great day.